Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Dosa is one of the most loved breakfasts, there's no doubt about it. However, there are many variations in dosa. But today I am going to use the best variety chickpeas from USA pulses and make some nice chickpeas dosa. It's going to be very interesting, so let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of chickpeas to a bowl, pour enough water and soak it for about 8 hours. So after 8 hours, you can see the chickpeas are soaked beautifully. They are nice and plump. To another bowl, soak half cup of raw rice along with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for about 8 hours. So now that the chickpeas and the rice is soaked, now we're going to grind both of them together. To the mixer jar, add half of the soaked chickpeas and half of the soaked rice. You don't want to add everything at one time. Make sure you grind it in batches. Next, add a piece of ginger chopped. Add 2 green chillies chopped. Add a little water and grind it to a nice fine batter. Add little water at a time to get the right consistency. Transfer the batter to a bowl. Now add the remaining soaked chickpeas and the rice to the mixer jar. Pour a little water and grind it to a nice fine batter. Chickpeas provide various health benefits like improving digestion, weight management, reducing cholesterol and reducing risk of heart diseases. They also provide various important minerals to the body like iron, selenium, potassium, etc., which are very vital for our body functions. So the batter for the chickpeas dosa is ready. Now we're going to let this ferment for about 8 to 12 hours. So you can see after 12 hours, the batter is fermented beautifully. Wow, if you look at the batter, the fermentation is excellent. Just mix everything nicely. Now you can see it's very thick, so we're going to dilute it and we're going to season it with a little salt. Add a little water and dilute it to get the right consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or too runny. It should be a nice dropping consistency. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon cumin seeds and mix it into the batter well. So there you have this perfect chickpeas batter. Let's start making these dosas. Heat the tawa. Once the tawa is hot, pour a ladle of the batter onto the hot tawa and spread it out. Add a dollop of ghee around the dosa and in the center. Including chickpeas to your diet does a lot of good to your body. But if you are wondering how to avoid monotony, do not worry. You can sometimes make these beautiful dosas for your breakfast and consume so you can remain energetic and bright throughout the day. Once the dosa is cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. You can see this lovely rich golden brown color on the dosa. So there you have this perfectly delicious, crispy and healthy chickpeas dosa or chana dosa. I'm serving it with 3 different types of chutneys and a little bit of sambar by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. So we've made some delicious and crispy chickpeas dosas and you can see how simple and easy it is to make. I've served it with 3 types of chutneys and sambar. So you can try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.